Okay, busia mo akaba head back now. I gossip Ghana TV patch had the over. Now try so be keep busia no. How I came busia no and just kawa. You subscribe to channel because subscribe ya doma be or no about the man so. Ba be keep busia no post video be a notification no have share. Na be answer IFFFF. And so yeah, we my day celebration our bronze maestros ballroom ye koya ba bedu. Asum dream nyame dia ba say am kwa opa hwe channel no so e djuma ne anya djuma that shows whether ye koya na yankwa. One of the people who performed here was evangelist Diana Samoa. Evangelist Diana Samoa de hu ne bia na maniache. Na ye wie ne of course also obi aba back to the country. Na evangelist aba and we free New York mountain so eba be PM o man konkon ka na your videos na wa ha. Mama akoso say one so a thank you message or country message. Once mama akoso say don thank kasa. Na obekasa one be into akasa and okay program na say no or my speech no me makwa konya speech no and so aba it me no ba be speech no and so ha na baby answer to ba ha like mama channel subscribe na baby answer and and so and we have started mama akoso thank you message no. The best started one because I thank you message now or the my program as new year near queer speech near my Dana Samoa or free US and mountains of every PM or Ghana or Timamia could say what's your same bay and our eka a chair uncle.
I don't put legal wives, anything legal husband, New Jersey and New York security, any artist and Mamubai, I don't want to tell women now. Maybe I said that, Emma, Yamishamu, Onkamo Yamoke. Now, Oma or Dono, enter you near Yaba, Yamishamu, and possible. I don't put New York and New Jersey law enforcement. Any team legal wives and team legal husband. And at artists and Ramubai in Adolfo Beshia and program no see him for so. As that now makes me the mama. If you also me, Lady Cassene Damas, Yamisha Monkamo Yamokesi. Nama Odone Fras and now after Damas Yamisha Mobai.
That was my Makosa Sewa Enkomo Odie and Dras or the that Munina Masse for support. I'm so in a program national or the speech be to Jana also. Then Kofa not on Shadan said the Okan, but I have it here. But it took screen to Namino Bomo near kind. Now, so I said, my dear team legal wife around the world, USA, Canada, family. Psalm 91 verse 11 or the quotation starts, you're saying, for he will command his angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. I say, this fight for justice has not been easy. It has brought pain, division, even between families and friends, parents and children, brothers and sisters. Some of you in this room have shared deeply disturbing stories with me about the injustice you have suffered because you stand for the truth. Yes, this cause may have started with me. However, you, to legal wife, have shown me that it must not end with me. It is bigger. It is about your future. If you give up now, then every sacrifice, every tear, every broken moment will be for nothing. And also, our sister Queen Emma and the children need our prayers and support. We love you, Queen Emma. Sunday to just say, I humbly ask you that you stay strong, stay united. Don't let this divide us. Let it strengthen us. And also Psalm 23 verse 5. I will lay a table before you in the presence of your enemies. I thank you for your support, your prayers, your sacrifices, time, and financial donations. I'm eternally grateful. Together we keep going until justice is no longer denied. Medona Kopon Asi Bibre Mrs. Akosia Sewa for some of the to your program. That's where person I say Okun enye easy. Okun enye easy. Na Okuna is Okuna koso ma identity mo impaba ebusua ne na ofantem identity mo aba awofo ne omomba ntem identity mo aba brothers and sisters ntem o say ebi mo mpo aka chen hawa ye treat you unfairly because omagina so mo be ka no kra and so no say yes we dey start with ono but we hu say okunwe enye ono pe eso na ayevudache empo nso o say ye give you apa every sacrifice we are no and I be pure my bia to say I cause 90 akoshie and also yes sister Queen man so omo hia ne mo mo hia empire and your support na omo doc no mo say ono so okachi nyina say yen stay strong yen kabum e ma bibia ante yentem na ye kabuma prayer old kabuma ejina it's a otiti mo se den a ebu enti ma me akosa sewa enkoma or the we go the bible quotations so e ka ho a bibia e ye fefefefe enso ewo ehonom ye wi da yanko endra na ye ma me evangelist and as I said earlier no e be pie mo o free New York awa be pie mo ga na hwa ma akosa sewa be de na omo nanto street in san some pa pie mo no airport yanko hwe na yento aso mo de bia nya fe enso ehonom.
It's me, Evangelist Diana Samuel.
Put your hands together for Jesus.
Now I'm ready to go to Madam Akosia Sewa for Mrs. Madam Akosia Sewa for program. Who wants to get up? When you're here, now we see only part of conference here, but also the open Tamanian. What a time before Kuhunian. I was one funny to talk. Wives
and
husbands.
Team legal. We move.
Into me as evangelist, truthfulness evangelist. I don't back side check. And back team legal wives.
We move.
Ekua ye joini me niji ho pa me hu se ekuofo ekwa yie ni ade na ya na ye me fe but ade ba ko a emma me mpese medwonkuo eye nantini twitwa wonu obi wo kuo mu pa obi atua ni diu so and so I can tell you say just say asam to kra na ye nipa krode but Team Legal Wives ho even though ye nya ni nyina pepepe but niema ni bi wo ho mu yama ni ye fo mame Sister Queen Emma se wunni mu a me se eda ye chi wo kwaku Kristo nku obodam bra kwaku wo de me se me fili wa de enche na da bia me ti se wo bobo wunnim kinkina tus na se fanam se kai bra no ye guy se kwaku Kristo ninnim kinkina tusu fo ni ne o ye guy wo enti na wani atie no me se eda ye chi kwaku Kristo ye chi sorry Queen Emma kwaku Kristo wana kwa bodam Why all night, the whole night, what now ho kasa yama entintine guna he mu nyina be gu ni mu maso ala kwaku obama me say bravo kudano me suma no me no nyina na bo all night no na me kra na me ho yira mi na wo yire ene wo ma na say that day ni the whole night wa mo man na all because of a team member ya me shira wate brako ku me se wa bo adwuma se nya mo pa kama me we nka na asem o mobo se nya mo na mo die ni adin titisi mu a nka ma me we kana asem areho because ma me no we nya mabia nka ebia ma no we nya me pa se na me sidi me nyansa aboa me ma me nim phone na eba ya me ma me anyusu bi hey me nyusu phone no ba me kwa kope bia ma me ma me ayusu sa phone ye ba ye BlackBerry ni nyina bi kope bi ma me yusu ye enso ma me akosu enya sa ma emma ni bi enti se mumu bi ma antete ensimu a enka ma me we nka na asem ka real ho ke wiase nyina nka ma me we ne nka emobro ne nka wa ba wiase de wo shine aba be nya lumba anka wo die enka wo da bia na nka yebo wo sese ya enso na maami nya me anka mo makoma enka maami ye nya ne sa wa wari over 30 years eni tie die ni je me nya sure se maami nya bi ebepem se sie ya mu kwako Kristo mu titisi mu e ma maami eni die ewie peye nya me hira mo Queen Emma sa wo bi da na se a that Team Legal Wives oni nyina se na kwaku Kristo de yire wo ho ne da na se pa because Emma said the team na si aboa wo no ho na me say so mu ka so mu baju 8 billion kwan ka ebetua ye no bi ye ko platform to platform ye contribute hey now my brother who chere guy oh hey obriga foi mo mechi mi ai the chair we dey swag wo hey a chair ye chu ne release we ma first class Allah oboa Team Legal hey yey e mema na torture ya adua ma sesi ai we dey grace the bia me ka say Sagana for musicians oh e kan enke no ayi ye friend say upcoming musicians no se munimu a me se me ma mo business idea mun ko fo bi ti se ko ayi ko finti na mape Dina Samoa ka ho na mape eyi obi ni yiri Florence e di aka ho musimu be ye program hey ye obi a makra Team Liga ye timi top floor no me ye tiaka ah Team Liga sister Sesia a mama to charge now by say depending at to the sense say so ye di sika be boa be ma de ye di be di nsem hunu me se mo organize the program mfa ko finti entoa no na mo nhwe nipa beba hey mo maka o me se nipa makra yen yetimi to ne etuaka Team Liga she ye na wo ka bi mai ne ye chiwa yetimi ma first class plane ticket ade na yen to me nye na wo ni nyina chi wo Frida free ye se wo nkontokwa biem Frida wo be ko Frida free ye me se wo be ko na ntokwa wo jai ko a back players no ye be ni atiesim woni nkofo mu ti back o mu won be up he se de mmemmesie di nipa bro no mmemme wo wi ase se de bi masie di abro no eni se de manie sia ti because of this small asem we kwanya small lumba asem we ba ye no se de sia ma mani ate no enti Frida se ntokwa ye nwie ye ne mbo pre a ye be ko ne center fo ntokwa wotu ho ne ye bo dem Frida be ko wo be ko woni wa fie hwewa me se mo be ko na man ko ba place ye be re yeah send you want me out hey Kwaku Christo Jami sure hey oh yeah guy my
It's me, Evangelist Diana Samuel.
Put your hands together for Jesus.
Now I'm ready to go to Madam Akosia Sewa for Mrs. Madam Akosia Sewa for program. Who you want when you are now, we see when you put the conference, they all came to me. What a time before coming in. I was one funny talk. Wives
and husbands.
Team
Liga. We move.
It's me as evangelist, truthfulness evangelist. I don't back side check. I'm back Team Liga wives.
We move.